Matt here again. I want to talk to you about common mistake number 2 when investing in a food trailer, not having proper drop-down support jacks. Now, we've got these support jacks, real simple, real easy. It's literally pull that and then drops down, okay? Now these can wind out, we get a little piece as well, so you can actually wind them up and down. They're designed to balance the trailer, not lift it off the ground. It's not like you're a V8 supercar, you got to get it completely off the ground and change the wheels, right? In permanent locations, you can also put other jacks there, but these are quick to have them balanced. We really work on our trailers in the chassis design to make sure they are very well balanced, so basically where the wheels are compared to the drawbar, compared to the weight, and compared to the legal regulations. We do everything we can to make them right. However, a common mistake is not having the proper fast drop-down supports, which of course we have.